Uno, triple play, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Uno except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Turn the game unit on and place it in the middle of the table. The draw deck is placed next to the unit, and flip one face-up number card into each of the 3 discard piles. If you discard an action card, replace it in the deck with a new one. Press the yellow Go button to start the game. On your turn, play your card to any discard pile that is lit up with the white lights on the sides, pressing down on that discard pile like a button. If you can't play, draw one card and press any lit up discard pile to end your turn. The lights above each discard pile will change colors from green to yellow to red as more cards are placed, indicating how close you are to an overload. If you overload, this sound will play, and a number will flash in the center. You must now draw that many cards from the draw deck and end your turn by pressing the yellow Go button. If your last card overloads, then you do not go out and you must draw. If you can't play, and then you overload from drawing one card, you still must draw the overloaded cards. The new action cards are as follows. Discard 2 of the same color. Play this card together with another card of the same color with this card on the bottom and only press the discard one time. If the top card is an action, still perform that action. You can also play this card by itself if you want. Whenever any wild card is played, the player playing the card does not determine the next color that must be played on it. Instead, the next player to play a card on that pile may play any color on it. Wild Clear. When you play this, press and hold down the discard until the counter light resets back to green. Wild Giveaway. If the discard pile overloads when you play this, then distribute the drawn cards to any other players however you like. At the end of the game, action cards are worth 20 points each, and wilds are worth 50 points each. There is an alternate way to play called Timer Mode. To play, flip the timer switch on the bottom of the game unit. In this mode, each player's turn only lasts for 7 seconds. If you fail to play a card in time, then you must draw 6 cards from the draw deck. You may not play a drawn card. Then, press the yellow Go button to end your turn. If you can't play, draw one card and press any lit up discard pile once. You are allowed to play the drawn card.